Today we will be installing Mailchimp's OpenCommerce on Windows 10. Well, actually 11, but that should make no difference. We start off by activating Windows Subsystem for Linux, better known as WSL2. The easiest way to do so is if you're on the Windows Insider build. All you have to do then is WSL-install from a Windows terminal. For manual install, you've got to go through these 6 steps, link in the description below. First, enable the Windows Subsystem for Linux. Check the requirements. You might want to do this as step 1. Enable virtual machine feature. Download the Linux kernel update package. Set WSL2 as your default version. Install Ubuntu from the Windows Store. And you're done. When you see all this, there is no doubt that Windows Insiders have a far easier path. You can join the Insider Preview program from Windows itself under Windows Update. After you've rebooted your PC and you've got a working Ubuntu install, it's time to install Docker Desktop. You'll find the link in the description below. After you have installed Docker, open it up and go to Settings. Make sure you have everything under Resources, WSL integration enabled. Also enable Use Docker Compose v2 candidate under Experimental Features. Now, go to your Ubuntu command line and become root if you're not already so. You do so by typing sudo sudo su from the command line. Install make by entering apt install make. Now clone the OpenCommerce developer platform. Again, you find a link in the description below. Build the platform . And when you get a firewall pop-up, click Allow Access. You have now installed Mailchimp OpenCommerce. Let's open it up in the browser and have a look. Go to localhost /4080 in your browser. Create an account and log in. You will now be asked to create a new shop. Enter a shop name and you're done. Your first shop is ready to go. A quick start for the platform itself is a video on its own. If you'd like me to make it, please like and subscribe. Go to localhost /4000 to see the shop you have just created. Well, and that's about it. Have a good one.